Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by heating the wok until it's almost smoking. High heat gives the characteristic wok flavor. Add 1 tablespoon oil and swirl, then pour in beaten eggs seasoned with 1/2 teaspoons salt and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Let them set briefly, then scramble quickly so curds form without browning. Once done, remove eggs to a plate. This clears the wok and concentrates flavor. Make sure the eggs are undercooked slightly. They'll finish later with the rice. You now add another tablespoon of oil and toss in 1/2 cup diced aromatics, white parts of scallion, minced garlic, and a little onion, and fry until translucent. Add cold rice, breaking any remaining clumps and press down to sear. Let each side contact the hot surface 30 to 45 seconds so it gets slightly toasted. Once seared, splash 1 tablespoon light soy sauce and a pinch of white pepper. Return the eggs and stir-fry rapidly to combine, while keeping the rice separate and fluffy. You finish by tossing in the green scallion tops and drizzling 1 teaspoon sesame oil, then taste and adjust salt. Stir briefly just to warm through. The goal is separate grains and tender egg ribbons. Plate immediately so steam doesn't soften the rice. If you get clumps or sogginess, make sure to use day-old rice and crank the heat. Alternatively, spread rice on a dry pan to evaporate excess moisture before frying. That quick fix usually restores texture and prevents a mushy outcome.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.